Hi, I'm Preeti and welcome to our channel Unique Sneak Peeks, जहां हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं अपनी ट्रैवल जर्नीज और लाइफ से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियोस। आज हम मालदीव्स जा रहे हैं, तो हमने सोचा आपको भी अपने साथ लेकर चलते हैं। हमारी फ्लाइट मुंबई से थी। इट वॉज इन द मॉर्निंग अराउंड 9:30 or so. Then we checked in over there, sat in the lounge because we had enough time. हम जल्दी पहुंच गए थे and just roamed around the airport for a little while. और finally हम पहुंच गए अपने गेट पर। Our flight was on time. यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी that the flight from Mumbai to Maldives, that is Malé, it costs you about 16 to 18,000 depending on how early or late you book your tickets. The flight to Malé from Mumbai is for 2 hours and 45 minutes. इट्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट फ्लाइट। ऐसे लगता है जैसे आप इंडिया में ही जा रहे हो, बट बिलीव मी, जब आप लैंड कर रहे होते हैं, प्लीज सी द व्यू फ्रॉम योर विंडो। इट इज सो अमेजिंग। आई हैव नेवर सीन सच अ लैंडिंग. You can see the islands from your flight, then the ocean water is so clear. I'm sure you have never seen such a landing ever before. And this airport is so beautiful. While landing, you actually feel you've landed in paradise. Get off the plane, you reach the immigration, you will see a long queue over there. Well, just remember, Maldives is visa free for Indians. Yes, that's a good news. There's no visa for Indians in Maldives. But remember, you have to fill a travel declaration form before arrival and before departure. They give you a barcode on that, so remember to take out a printout and take it along with you. They have your declaration form on this system, but still it's always better to carry a hard copy. So once you pick up your baggage, you will see counters for currency exchange. But one thing I would like to tell you all over here कि पैसे चेंज कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है Maldives में, because जब आप होटल में जाएंगे everything is in dollars. इनफैक्ट अगर आप मार्केट में जाएंगे तो वो भी आपसे डॉलर्स में ही पैसे लेते हैं, तो लोकल करेंसी चेंज करवाने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है मालदीव्स में। लोकल टेलीकॉम एजेंसीज के भी काउंटर्स हैं. देयर आर कियोस्क्स ओवर देयर वेयर यू गेट अ फ्री सिम कार्ड. Now this free SIM card basically is enough for your travel because बाकी हर जगह पर you will find Wi-Fi. The whole property has Wi-Fi. Your room has Wi-Fi, and sometimes most of the speedboats also have Wi-Fi in it. So actually you don't need SIM card over there. So ये सब करने के बाद में आपको बहुत सारे counters वहाँ एयरपोर्ट पर नज़र आएंगे. These are all the hotel counters. Before you land there, your hotel will give you a counter number. So you just go there, they will check in all your bags and they will take you to the hotel speedboat. So counter से निकलकर आप अपनी speedboat की तरफ जाते हैं, और ऐसा नज़ारा भी आपने कभी नहीं देखा होगा कि एयरपोर्ट पे चलते ही आपको ओशन नज़र आ जाता है and your speedboat is there. It's just a road away. और यहाँ पर आपको कोई टैक्सी लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट स्पीड बोट में बैठिए और निकल जाइए अपने होटल की तरफ, तो कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलने वाला. एक बार जब आप स्पीड बोट में बैठ जाते हैं एंड यू लुक अराउंड, इट इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. द वाटर इज़ सो क्लियर. इट्स एक्चुअली टर्कोइस वाटर. कहीं कहीं पर आपको वो ग्रीन नज़र आता है, कभी टील कलर नज़र आता है, कभी सी ब्लू नज़र आता है. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. And your ride to your hotel is so amazing. It took us about 15 minutes to reach our hotel.
15 minutes later.
And वो 15 minutes हमने इतना enjoy किया because we were just soaking in all the beauty of the city. One more point to be noted is that when you book your hotels, make sure that the speedboat transfers are included in your package, then it becomes very expensive. So finally हम अपने होटल पहुंच गए. It is Sheraton Full Moon Hotel, Maldives, where they offered us some welcome drink. It was okay, not too good, but then हमने बस एक दो सिप लिए और हम बैठ गए वहाँ पर. First thing we realized was कि reception was not air conditioned. So इतना hot and humid था तो हमें लगा AC की ज़रूरत थी. The receptionist explained us everything about the resort, which all restaurants are there, where the gym is, everything. Then he asked us to wait at the reception for a little while. Actually, the check-in time was 2 p.m. We had reached a little earlier, so our room was not yet ready. But they had a rest area over there and they took us to the rest area in the buggy. Rest area was comfortable, though the lounge beds were not very clean, but there was a shower area just in case you needed to take a shower. And of course चाय पानी कॉफ़ी का इंतज़ाम था वहाँ पर. If you are hungry or want to have a cup of tea, you can have it over there. Well, that's it for today's video. अगर मैं और भी आपको बताऊंगी चीज़ें which you shouldn't be doing, it will become a very long video. So I'll come up with the part 2 of this. Wait for that video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe it. And until our next video, it's adios, tata, bye bye. Love you all.